Hello everyone, and welcome back to Word Warehouse. In our last video, we learned some of the most common irregular plurals in English, such as mouse, mice, man, men, and foot, feet. Today, we're going to learn some more irregular plurals. Some of these words are very common, while others are a little less familiar. Let's get started. Louse. This word isn't very common in everyday conversation, but you'll hear it when talking about health. A louse is a very small insect that lives in people's or animals' hair. The plural is lice. The mother checked her children's hair for lice. Ox. An ox is a large farm animal used to pull heavy loads. Its plural is oxen. This word isn't very common today, but it's useful to know. The farmers used oxen to pull the wagon. Ox meat is highly prized. Oxtail is a type of meat that is often used in soups and stews. My father-in-law loved making oxtail stew with a very thick sauce. Sheep. Some nouns never change. Sheep is one of them. 1 sheep. 10 sheep. There are hundreds of sheep on that farm. A flock of sheep was grazing in the field. A flock is a group of birds or sheep. Deer. Exactly the same. 1 deer. 5 deer. We saw 2 deer in the forest. Bambi is a deer. Fish. Usually both singular and plural are fish. We caught 5 fish today. You may also hear fishes when talking about different species. I bought some fish at the market. The restaurant serves several different fish. Some of the fish you can find on a restaurant menu are salmon, tuna, cod, sea bass, sea bream, and trout. Aircraft. This word also stays the same. 1 aircraft. Several aircraft. 3 aircraft landed at the airport this morning. Person. 1 person. Many people. This is probably one of the most useful irregular plurals. Only 10 people came to the meeting. There are a lot of people at the restaurant tonight. There are only a few people at the restaurant today. Knife. Some nouns ending in F or FE change to VS. Knife becomes knives. Be careful with those knives. The knife isn't very sharp. We need to sharpen the knives. Life. The same rule. Cats are said to have 9 lives. Leaf. The leaves fall from the trees in autumn. The green leaf is covered with drops of water. Wolf. Wolves usually live and hunt in groups called packs. The shepherd saw a wolf in the forest. A wife is a married woman. She is his wife. He is her husband. His wife works at the local hospital. The players' wives had reserved seats. Shelf. These shelves are full of books. The book you're looking for is on the top shelf. Put the jar of pasta on the kitchen shelf. The towels are on the bathroom shelves. The cereal is on the shelf on the right. Roof. Be careful. Not every word ending in F changes. The plural is simply roofs. The roofs were covered with snow. They're fixing my roof because it had a leak. We had dinner on the rooftop. A rooftop is the top surface of a building, often used as an outdoor space. There's a swimming pool on the rooftop. This building has 2 rooftops where we can hang out the washing. Chief, another exception. The police chiefs held a meeting. The mayor appointed a new chief of the fire department. Belief. Again, just add S. People have different beliefs. It's a common belief that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. The belief that cats were sacred was widespread in ancient Egypt. Criterion. This word is common in formal English. A criterion is a standard used to judge or decide something. The plural is criteria. Price is one of the main criteria. The main criterion for choosing the candidate will be their level of education. The criteria the investment has to meet are cost, return, and liquidity. Phenomenon. A phenomenon is something unusual or interesting that happens. The northern lights are a natural phenomenon. Scientists are studying strange natural phenomena. A solar eclipse is a fascinating natural phenomenon. Bacterium. A bacterium is a microscopic living organism. The plural is bacteria. Some bacteria are helpful. Others can make us sick. Cactus. A cactus is a plant that grows in very dry places. The traditional plural is cacti. Many native speakers also say cactuses. On our trip to Arizona, we saw a lot of cacti. I bought a cactus for my office to put next to my computer. Fungus. A fungus is a living organism like a mushroom or mold. The plural is fungi. Some fungi are edible. Mushrooms are a type of fungus. Mold is a type of fungus. Some fungi can cause infections. Today we've learned some of the most useful irregular plurals in English. Some change a vowel. Some add a completely different ending. Some never change at all. If you can remember these words, you'll avoid many common mistakes, and your English will sound much more natural. Which of these irregular plurals was new to you? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.